I'm going to be showing you how to set up your follow-ups, because you actually need it. You don't have to start typing. So we are going to be making use of our WhatsApp. So anytime anybody requests for that particular free report, so there are certain follow-ups you need to start giving them immediately after the request for that book. It shows that they are interested in what you are doing. So we are going to be making use of these free reports. So I've sent it to the group, and we are going to make use of it. So let me click on it to show you what it is. So this is my WPS office. So as you can see, it is still loading. So what you are going to simply do is just to copy and paste to your WhatsApp quick reply. So as you can see below, you find the email follow-up series to promote for the UDM and LGM workshop. So instead of using email, we are using WhatsApp marketing this time around, because I observed that using email it's convert also, but I prefer WhatsApp. So this is our first WhatsApp. That is when your prospect request for that book, this is the first message you are going to give, reply them with. That is, you are in, sweetie. Here is the report you requested. I want to personally say congrats for taking this very bold step. So this is what your prospect will read, and then you are going to insert your drive link here. That is the link to that free report. So you are going to insert it here. So let me show you how to paste it into your WhatsApp quick replies. Let me show you. So don't forget to insert your drive link there. Don't forget to. So let me go to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp. So you're going to click on these 3 dots at the right hand corner of your WhatsApp. Then you're going to go to I'm sorry about that. You're going to go to business tool. Then you go to quick replies. So you're going to click on this plus sign, this particular plus sign. So your shortcut will be email 1. So your message, just paste it there. Then you can simply edit it. So you are in, sweetie. You can make this bold. I want to personally say congrats. So you have to edit in such a way that it will be readable. Let there be much space so that it will be readable. You don't have to stress your prospect when it comes to reading this. So it has to be readable. Don't forget, you have to insert your drive link. You have to insert the link to that particular report. You have to insert it here. Don't forget, please. So we are going to simply tweak it into how you feel. You can tweak it to what you feel. So this, you are going to remove it. You can insert yours. So that is just the way it is. So this is email 1. So for email 2, we go back to the free report again. So you are going to simply do the same thing for your email 2. Hi, sweetie, hope you didn't miss this. So you can tweak it to what you love. And don't forget, the essence of this is to build relationship. The essence of follow-up is to build relationship. You understand? That is the essence of follow-up, to build relationship. You are going to click on this plus sign again. So if you don't follow up on your prospect, I'm sorry, you won't make money. So the essence of follow-ups is to build relationship, to make people trust you the more. That is the essence of follow-up. Because many people won't buy from you immediately after reading the book. They won't buy from you. Many people won't. So this one will be your email 2. So don't forget to bold the necessary parts. apply italics where necessary and space some parts where necessary. So don't forget you are going to insert your drive link here. So I think this is the last part for inserting your drive link, so they must avoid the free reports, so you don't have to bother sending into them your email 3 and the likes. So you save it. So for your email, let me just skip to email. I think email 3, yeah, I think that's it. So for your email 3, you said finally new way to start earning 150k per month with information marketing. So this is kind of long and very readable. So yeah, instead of your drive link, you're going to be inputting your affiliate link from seller. So ensure you shorten your affiliate link. Ensure you shorten it using rebrand.ly or bit.ly or tiny URL. So ensure you shorten it. So this one will be your email 3. So finally, so you bold this part. You're going to bold this part. So make money is blah 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 and the like. So edit this part to make it more precise, more good looking and more precise. So you simply edit it and tweak it to what you feel like. To what you feel like. So you are going to insert your affiliate link here and ensure you shorten it, please. Ensure you shorten it. So that is all for email 3, and that is the way you are going to do it. For the rest, I have almost about 20 of it, but yeah, just start with this 10. Start with this 10. I'll send you the rest later on. So that is it. That is just the way you have to do it. So that is just the way you have to do it. So I'll be recording another video on the likely objections most prospects will ask you. Most prospects will ask you. So okay, I think I even have it here. It's part of it here. So these are the most likely objections your prospects will have before they can buy from you. So this is it. So you can easily master these questions about UDM and LGM workshop. So these are answers you can actually give to them when they ask you one-on-one. So these are answers you can give to them. I'm also going to hold a Zoom meeting on how to make use of phone calling, how to use your voice to close more deals, your telephonic voice to close more deals. That is, you contact your prospect, ask them a few questions, and before you know, you close more deals with it. So as time goes on. So hope this helps. Thank you.